Hi, welcome to KidLivZ. This is my brother Darshan. In 2017, Darshan was having a treatment for cancer, and our family learned how the food he ate helped him to get better. We worked with our nutritionists, who helped us to understand which foods would help support Darshan to survive his treatment and his cancer. Since then, Darshan has led our family to give unhealthy food a chop. We want to help other kids make good choices about what they eat. So these videos tell you all about the foods that we've chosen to eat. Darshan and I have a huge amount of fun learning and experimenting to cook. We hope you enjoy watching and we inspire you to do the same. Oh, and by the way, I'm Anise. No. It's embarrassing. No.
No.
We have to know.
No.
We have to know. No. Hello and welcome back to KidLivZ.
Hello.
Hi.
Hola. Welcome back to KidLivZ.
Welcome back to season 2.
We get the big bowl.
Sit. Eat it though. Yeah, don't just chew it and then spit it out. There's one here as well. Whoa. Okay, right. Where's it gone? Last one, right? I want a proper paw. Sit. Paw. Paw. No. Paw. Okay, right. You did a good job. Right. Oh, I got a bean stuck in my throat. I'm just gonna have to do this. Make sure you get everything. Stuff it all in. I love the colour of this.
Rolling.
Rolling on a river. Does anyone know what the duck song is?
Please.
No. The duck walked up to the lemonade stand and he said to the man, okay, I can't do it. Sorry.
It's actually not Christmas. It's not Christmas. Anise, we can't have it. We can't have it on this.
I know, but we don't need to. Oh, the fire is so
Please, guys, can we just do it now? Anise, stop. Stop now, Anise. Stop it. We're going to start now. She's singing when...
Nancy's not ready yet, so it doesn't matter.
She's singing Christmas.
So?
Oh. We don't even know what songs have come out now. They're probably new songs.
We go, hallelujah, hallelujah, hallelujah. And that's it.
Okay.
No, it's like, isn't it like this? Wait.
Stop it now.
Believer.
Why? My life is going sense of brain. Yeah. To keep you interested whilst this is happening. Hello.
Anise, keep watching. This is hot. That's boiling hot. That's the end.
Hello.
Anise, I want you to look at that, sweetie.
Daddy, I want to do some on show. Excuse me, Daddy.
Help Anise.
No, dash.
Take this off the heat.
Hold it like that. That's all you need to do.
Where's the lemon juice, Daddy?
Just put these in together.
But wait, it did it. No, you're not meant. No, Mummy. It says pass all the ingredients except. Just wait. Shush.
Smells good.
Yes, we are filming. Smells good. You ready? Ready?
No.
And it's a lot of fun because we can just do it on our own. Our parents don't need to help us. Where are you going?
I'm going to take a show out.
Is Mummy gonna
What?
be in here?
Oh, it's here.
You don't want me here.
Ready? Daddy, get out. Are you ready?
Ready to get out?
Yeah, ready to get out.
Well,
Mummy, you can't just embarrass us.
Well,
It's in front of the camera. This morning, when you were a bit like, wow, you left, and we were like, let's not fight today. Let's impress Mummy. Like when you were in year 2, you would always forget your guitar, and I'd go and get it, or I'd
in year 2, I didn't do guitar.
Yeah, you did.
I did it in year 3.
Fine, in year 3. Okay, so right now I'm just going to drain these.
No, you don't need to do that yet.
I'm just going to drain it. I'm just going to drain it.
Oh, niece. You don't want it to turn into literally powder. You want it into like, you know, you want it into like rice granules. So about that size. It's just.
Can I put some in, please? Shall I start adding the ingredients in for that?
No, we do it all at the end.
No, I like cleaning the surface.
So can you pour the bowl?
Yeah.
I'm
The
fine.
reason why is because you're just chopping up grains of cauliflower.
Whose idea was this?
Can you please stop that? I really don't like it. It's really annoying.
It's all about the other experience.
Oh yeah, it worked. I will throw one of these peels at you after being in the food bin.
Can we do bye, G, Algie, Butterby, George, Pudgy?
What does that mean?
Well, when Osho came, so in the car, I'd always be like, don't worry, Blah, we're nearly there. So I made up a language with
I
him.
didn't understand it.
Darshan's like, what are you talking about? And I'm like, just my language. He's like, can I join?
No, I didn't say that.
You did.
I didn't.
You
say
did. I remember you saying that. And then I'm like, yeah, sure, but I have to teach you it first. And then
I didn't say, can I join? Don't put this on the film. Oh God, no. She's just like, what? How do you know?
no,
I was like, how do you? I need to just be quiet for a minute.
you want to incorporate all the ingredients together, Shush Dash. I was right and you were wrong. I was right and you were wrong.
I want to see appreciation and collaboration.
We're joking, Mummy. You've got to stop. You're interrupting what we're saying. Stop, please. I know you're going to get this on camera, aren't you?
No.
No. I'm here. So this book, I got this too from this wonderful little darling.
Yeah, come along with us. But you guys, you don't say, oh, easy, Amy,
She's gonna throw
blow
up.
up.
Okay, go now.
You've got to clear up first because otherwise it's just going to leave your kitchen as a mess.
Otherwise, your parents get very angry. Well, they don't get very angry, but they get a bit, you know.
Stress.
Like, why didn't you?
Why didn't you do that?
In 1935, the word flapjack was used to describe a food made
In
hang on, in the UK. However, in America, they're used to describe pancakes.
In 1930. One moment, please. Don't put that on camera. We've started, but I don't know the recipe.
Mummy!
If you happen to have slightly bigger tomatoes, then cut them into smaller pieces. And if you have slightly smaller ones, cut them into bigger pieces. I know.
Drink some water.
Suck some cinnamon.
Darcy just farted. He did twice.
So now I'm going to put the lid back on, and that will really get it with a nice aroma.
Can I just go to the toilet?
Do you like our new aprons? It's our first piece of merchandise, so we're pretty proud of it. So yeah.
Yeah, Dawson looked like he was wearing a dress.
Seriously? I'm almost a phobic of medicine. If Mummy asks me, do you want some paracetamol? I go no. Even if I'm ill, because I had so much when I was ill. The only time in hospital that I enjoyed, and I know this is a big word, enjoyed, was chemo number 2. I had my own big TV, my own room, my own toilet. I mean, it was epic. And I watched James Bond twice. You're filming this, right?
Yeah.
Oh god. What is your favourite food?
My favourite food, healthy probably. I don't know. Is fajitas healthy?
Fajitas are alright.
Fajitas. Don't know why I call it. Why did I say
Fajitas.
Is salmon for vegetarians? I've always wanted to know this.
Pescatarians only eat fish and veg, and then vegetarians can eat eggs and things like that, but they can't eat any sort of protein that's like a living thing.
Yeah, like the vegans are like.
And then vegan, you can't have anything that has come from an animal, like milk, egg, and. Oh, did you just see that? I just went like this. But it landed like that. Don't do that. Don't do it though.
Because you'll probably
End up in hospital in some way.
somehow.
1, 2, 3.
Pow! 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 And thank you for watching this video.
And we see you rolling on the river.
Rolling! Rolling! Rolling on the river! Bye! GLG, better be George. Pie G.